Amid mounting pressure from protesters and President Donald Trump, Governor Gavin Newsom unveiled plans on Monday for reopening California churches and allowing in-person retail shopping. Under the governor's new guidelines, places of worship could reopen, pending approval from their county public health officials, on the condition that they limit attendance to 25% of the building capacity or a maximum of 100 attendees, whichever is lower. In-store retail shopping can also open statewide, as long as businesses abide by certain protocols such as requiring that businesses develop a COVID-19 prevention plan, conduct health screenings on their employees and ensure that customers and employees remain 6 feet apart from one another. Places of worship will have to abide by the same precautions. The new state guidance comes just 3 days after the president declared he was designating places of worship as essential businesses, and those that were ordered closed because of the pandemic should be allowed to reopen immediately. On Friday, Trump said he would override the governors across the country who resist reopening religious institutions. "America, we need more prayer, not less," he said. Related, hundreds gather inside Murrieta Church for Sunday worship as of Monday. The number of people infected with COVID-19 continued to climb statewide to more than 94,000 Sunday, and the state's death toll to the virus passed 3,750. Asked for comment on the governor's guidelines, a spokeswoman for the Catholic Archdiocese of Los Angeles referred to a videotaped message recorded Saturday, in which Archbishop Jose Gomez acknowledged the hardship felt by parishioners and clergy in closing churches to prevent the virus's spread. "I think it's clear to all of us that it might be possible in the coming future to be able to open physically the churches and receive parishioners to come," he said. "It's not going to be the same in the beginning because there is the reality of the social distance and also making sure that the churches are sanitized, and people are protected when they come to church." John Andrews, spokesman for the Diocese of San Bernardino, said, "We're pleased that the governor has provided conditions under which we can safely resume public worship because we are all anxious to be together again and share in the sacraments. We know that we must do this in a way that protects the health and safety of the people, and so we will use these new state guidelines along with our internal health and safety protocols to open our churches as soon as it is safely possible," he said Monday. In Orange County, the Diocese of Orange announced Friday that public masses with a phased-in approach can begin June 14th. The diocese encourages those 65 and older or with underlying health conditions to avoid church for now, and hand sanitizer will be available at all churches and people will be instructed not to engage in any physical touch.